Sean "Diddy" Combs' accuser, known only as Jane, returned to the stand, unleashing a fresh wave of bombshell revelations. The testimony plunged deeper into the dark allegations, with Jane recalling an electrifying party where she claims she was with an unnamed famous rapper, his girlfriend, and a male escort. The morning hours were consumed by intense legal wrangling as Combs' formidable legal team, alongside prosecutors and the judge, fiercely debated whether to unmask the rapper's identity. This high-stakes deliberation unfolded alongside discussions about a mysterious, unspecified issue surrounding Jane's explosive testimony, where she has accused Diddy of coercing her into encounters with male adult workers. In a dramatic cross-examination, attorney Tenny Garagos relentlessly pressed Jane, aiming to dismantle her credibility. The defense's core strategy is clear: to portray the woman, testifying under a pseudonym for protection, as a willing participant in the alleged, sometimes weekly encounters with male adult workers, encounters Diddy allegedly orchestrated and observed for hours. Diddy's legal team addressed an event from January 2024 involving Jane in a Las Vegas hotel room. They spoke about the importance of using certain names currently protected by an anonymity order, stating this would allow the public to provide information relevant to the case. Prosecutor Maureen Comey countered, asserting that sufficient details had already been disclosed. The judge agreed with the prosecution, declining to modify the order, and emphasized that this was a collateral issue, not directly related to the charges. Once back on the stand, Jane described traveling to Las Vegas on a private plane with a famous rapper and his girlfriend in January 2024. She testified that she observed Anton, one of the male adult services workers, engaged in an act with someone while the rapper and his girlfriend watched. Jane also stated that she flirted with the rapper at the party and claimed the rapper expressed having a crush on her. During cross-examination, Jane made a surprising admission: she still loves her ex, Sean "Diddy" Combs. Diddy reportedly smiled as Jane recounted shared good times, including her willingness to cuddle with Diddy and give him massages. She even referred to him as her baby and recalled hugging, cuddling, and bathing him. Jane also shared that she would put on Diddy's favorite show, Dateline, and they would watch it for hours, smiling as she described these moments. During the 5th week of Sean "Diddy" Combs' trial, his ex-girlfriend, identified as Jane, testified about his alleged wildest fantasy. On the 2nd day of her testimony, Jane described a twisted NBA role-play scenario. She stated that Combs would cast himself as Michael Jordan, her as Kobe Bryant, and the male adult worker she regularly saw as Shaquille O'Neal. Furthermore, Jane detailed freak-offs that she attended during their relationship. She characterized these events as filled with extravagant role-play where participants adopted nicknames inspired by legendary basketball stars so that Diddy could explore certain aspects of his personality without actually admitting that he's into men. During his ongoing trial, Sean "Diddy" Combs has been observed carrying and reading a self-help book in court. He reportedly held the book up towards the gallery. The book in question is The Magic of Believing, a 1948 publication by Claude M. Bristol. This particular title, published shortly after World War II, was originally conceived as a resource to assist soldiers returning from the conflict in processing their trauma and reintegrating into civilian life. The book describes itself as an exploration of the secrets behind harnessing the unlimited energies of the subconscious, focusing on the power of positive thinking and belief in achieving one's goals. The choice of such a book by Combs in the midst of a high-profile legal battle has drawn attention. His consistent presence with the book, as noted by observers including the Washington Post, suggests a personal engagement with its themes of resilience and mental fortitude during a challenging period.